Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, good morning, everyone. And as you know that you have to submit your art integration project, and many of you have submitted, but you have got the time till 30th January. So before that, you all have to submit. Okay. I had given the deadline for 13, so don't disturb yourself because this is the time for preparation of PT to half yearly exam, sorry, pre-board examination. So don't disturb yourself, and it is you have time till 30th of January. So please आराम से आप लोग बना के before that, so that I have not to remind again and again that you have to submit this. ओके बहुत लोगों ने भेज दिया है, जो लोग नहीं भेजे हैं वो 30 जनवरी तक प्लीज भेज देंगे. Is that clear to everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So what to start?
Good morning, sir.
We had complete.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. We were doing exercise 15.1, I think. Na? Exercise 15.1, right? And question number कहाँ तक कर लिए थे बताओ? I think we have to come to solve question number 12 now. Okay. So question number 12 is very simple. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers. So figure is given here, right? And numbers are from 1 to 8. And these are equally likely outcomes. And what is the probability that it will point at 8? So there is a pointer, a game of chance, when you spin this arrow, this start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is your pointer. When you stretch the pointer and leave it, then it will be stop at any one point. Okay. So first one is what will be the probability that it will point at 8? Tell me. Total number of possible outcomes are 8 because only 8 numbers are there. Out of which the pointer will be fixed at any one point. Okay. Either 1, 2, 3 or 4. So when you spin your spin your that thing, you will get what? So what is the probability that it will point at
1 by 8.
Yes, 1 by 8 probability when it will point at 8. Point at 8. So that is 8 is only one number, unique number. So out of 8, only one project point like that will be equal to 1 by 8 because here favorable outcomes is only one. Number 8 is unique number, only one number. So that will point at 8. Only chance of this will be only one. And total number of possible outcomes are 8. That will be equal to 1 by 8. Now, second one is second probability, it will point an odd number. An odd number. Tell me what will happen. How many odd numbers are there?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, sir. Yes, sir.
5 and 7. There are only 4 odd numbers. So that will be equal to 4 by 8. है ना? So 4 1 are 4 2 are, that is 1 by 2. Right? And the number greater than 2. Probability that the number point at, it will point at a number greater than 2. So greater than 2 कितने नंबर तुम्हारे पास? How many numbers we have there?
6 by 8.
6 by 8. मतलब
6 numbers.
3 by 4.
5, 6, 7, 8. Only 6 numbers are there. So that will be equal to 6 by 8. So 2 3s are 2 4s are, that will be equal to 3 by 4. Right? And a number less than 9. Number less than 9. Probability of it will point at a number less than 9. So less than 9 numbers are 8. है ना? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 all the 8 numbers, yes. All the 8 numbers are less than 9. So that will be equal to 8 by 8. So that will be equal to 1. Right? So in this way you can solve any question. Okay. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And please
Yes, sir.
and I want to take attendance today. Okay. Harsh Bapna. Yes, Harsh Bapna. Present or not? Harsh Bapna. Present or not? Next, Subrat. Subrat, are you present or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about Harsh? Harsh Bapna? Ayush Lunia?
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay. Adishwar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And for any reason you are not able to speak, you can write in chat box that I am present. Okay. Akshat? Okay, Harsh. Akshat, what about Akshat?
Sir, Akshat Jain or Malu?
Akshat Parak is written here.
Huh? Akshat Jain, sir.
Just a minute, no? Akshat Kochar. Yes, Akshat Kochar. Present or not?
Sir, present.
Okay. Anmol Jain.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Very good. Arihant. Arihant Jain. Arihant Jain. Akshat Jain is present here.
Sir, present.
Okay. Akshat Jain. Arpit. Yes, Arpit. Arpit is present or not?
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay. Okay. And Astha, Astha Goyal, are you present, beta? Write your response. If you are not able to speak, Arihant is yes present. Okay, Astha, what about Astha? Astha, Ayush Kakaria? Ayush?
Present, sir.
Yes, very good. Bhavi? Yes, present. So if you are present, why are you writing in chat box? You can say yes or no. Please, if you are able to speak, please speak yes or no. Darshan Baradia? Yes, Darshan?
Present, sir.
Okay. Devanshu? Devanshu?
Present, sir.
Very good.
Present, sir.
Devanshu, then Darshan? Darshan Baradia?
Present, sir.
Okay. Divyansh Patela? Divyansh? Gaurav Saraf? Yes, Gaurav?
Present, sir.
Okay. Geetika? Yes, Geetika?
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Yes, yes. Harshali? Harshali? Harshali Kashwa? Harshit? Harshit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Harshit, then Harshita? Yes, Harshita. Himanshu? Yes, Himanshu? Himanshu? Kanika? Yes, Kanika?
Present, sir.
Very good.
Present, sir.
Yes. Karan Jain? Yes, Karan? Karan Jain? Kushal Khajanchi? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Karan Jain? Yes, Karan present. Khushi? Yes, Khushi?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mahak? Mahak Jain? Mahak Jain? Yes, Mehul?
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Mili? What about Mili Ranka? Mili? Yes, Mili, no response. Yes, present. Moksha Bharat?
Present, sir.
Very good. Molly? Yes, Molly? Molly is present? Molly?
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta.
Present, sir.
Very good. Molly? Molly Jain? Molly Jain?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Maulik Maruti? Yes. Okay. What about Naitik? Naitik?
Present, sir.
Okay. Yes, Nandika.
Present, sir.
Yes, very good, beta. Nishi. Nishi.
Present, sir.
Yes. Nitika. Nitika. Yes, Nitika present.
Present, sir.
Yes, Prajwal. Yes, Prajwal.
Present, sir.
Okay. Pratham. Pratham.
Present, sir.
Yes. Good morning. Okay, 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 thank you. Yes. Now, Priyam Bhandari. Priyam. Yes, Priyam, say something. Priyam is not replying. Yes, present. Good. Punya. Punya.
Present, sir.
Yes.
Present, sir.
Yes, Pura. Pura.
Present, sir.
Yes, Raj.
Present, sir.
Raj Jain.
Present, sir.
Okay. And who is Rajat? Rajat? Who is Rajat?
This is Sonal. I had messaged you to rename me.
Acha. Yes, who is? Yes, Rakshita. Rakshita.
Present, sir.
Yes, Rashi. Rashi.
Present, sir.
Yes.
Present, sir.
Yes, Rishabh. Rishabh. Yes, Riyanshi. Riyanshi. Riyanshi.
Yes, sir. Present.
Yes, Sambhav. Sambhav.
Present, sir.
Very good. Samket. What about Samket?
Present, sir.
Yes. Samyak. Samyak. Yes. Sanidhya.
Present. Present, sir.
Yes. What about Sanskar?
Present, sir.
Very good. Shreyansh Chopra. Shreyansh.
Present, sir.
Very good. Shreyansh Jain.
Present, sir.
Yes. Again, another Shreyansh. Yes. Then Tanushri. Tanushri.
Present, sir.
Very good, beta. Very good. Yes. Vardhaman. Vardhaman.
Present, sir.
Yes. And what about Tarupara? Taru.
Present, sir.
Very good. Yes, Viram. Sorry. Viram Jain Sancheti. Hello, Viram.
Present, sir.
Viram.
Present, sir.
Okay, okay.
Present, sir.
Yes, yes. Very good, beta. Very good. Keep watching the class. जैसे आप आज क्लास देखे आया, I have got the very good response from your side. भले मुझे मेहनत करना पड़ा, सबको कॉल करना पड़ा, but I am very very happy and we have reached around 68 students. Okay, today including me, total 69 students. So I want this attendance should be continuous till exam. Okay, so that आपकी जो attendance है 70%, 75% से कम, that will be fulfilled. Okay. Now, very good. Next question. And today I will also call the student, those who have not joined the class today. Okay. Our only 68. Then what about the 11 students, remaining 8 students, 9 students? Okay. I will call again. Now next one is a die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number. I hope you can solve this question. When you throw a dice, so total number of possible outcomes will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because there are 6 pieces of that dice, and all the pieces contains one number only from 1 to 6. So total possible outcomes will be 6. And when a prime number, right? Question number 13. Question number 13 is total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes will be equal to 6, from 1 to 6, and you need to find out probability of getting a prime number. Probability of getting a prime number. Do you know what is prime number? Yes. Do you know what is prime number? Prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 or itself only. Okay, I am unmute. Okay, so getting a prime number, probability of getting a prime number. What is the prime number? From 1 to 6, prime numbers are 2, 4,
2 by 6.
2, 3, 2, 3, and 5. Prime numbers are the number which are divisible by 1 or itself only. So only 3 numbers are there. So probability of getting prime number will be equal to 3 upon total 6. That is 3 ones are 3 twos are. That is
Half.
1 by 2. Right? Now next is probability. Probability of getting a number lying between 2 and 6. 2 and 6 के बीच में कितना नंबर आएगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between 2 and 6. Between 2 and 6, you are getting only 3 numbers. So that will be equal to 3 by 6. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yes. And odd number only 3 numbers. 1, 3, and 5. This is also 3 by 6. That is 1. ठीक है ना? So second part is probability of getting a number between 2 and 6, है ना? Between 2 and 6 will be equal to, between 2 and 6 only 3 numbers are there, so that will be equal to 3 by 6 makes 1 by 2. And last one is also same, P probability of getting odd number, getting an odd number. So out of 6 only 3 odd numbers are there, 1, 3, and 5. So that will be also 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Is it clear? Now, the next which I am going to tell you, that is very important, that is a question of probability related to playing cards. Do you know about the playing cards? Do you know about the playing cards? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 68 students.
Yes, sir, I know.
Yes, 68.
Yes, sir. I also
Yes,
know.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So those,
सर मेरा नाम नहीं आया.
your name please.
योगी गोलछा.
Yes, योग का मैंने नाम देख लिया है. You are present here. Okay.
सर उस टाइम मेरा माइक पता नहीं काम नहीं कर रहा था, अब काम कर रहे थे.
सानिध्य ना? कौन?
नहीं,
नहीं
दिव्यांश.
सर योगी गोलछा.
सर ऐसे बोल के अटेंडेंस लेने से अच्छा
मेरा
कोई
योगी
गूगल
गोलछा
फॉर्म
सर.
बना के अटेंडेंस लेना.
Okay,
अरे
Divansh
भाई हर्षित क्यों
present. Or
Yes, Jan also present.
yes. I will take the attendance of today's from office, and I will see whether anyone is absent. Then I will call you. Okay.
Sir, my
पर
name is
इसमें
also not
टाइम
from
वेस्ट हो जाता है ना.
I am
स्टडी के टाइम
present
में.
now.
And listen one thing.
Present.
If your name is not in this list, you please, it is better to write me a message in WhatsApp group that I have present today. Okay. Or here you can also
Okay sir. Okay sir.
you can also write in chat box.
Yes sir.
Next is very important, and please see, जिसको playing cards के बारे में नहीं मालूम है, so उसके लिए ये प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा टफ होगा, but if you know about the playing cards, it will be very easy for you. So let's look here. So about the playing cards, there are 4 types of playing cards, right? That is type of cards here. Type of cards is there are 4 types of cards. First one is diamond. Second type of card is heart. Third type of card is glove. And fourth type of card is spade. Right? There are 4 categories of card. Diamond, and is a shape and shape and color. Okay. So diamond का shape and color, diamond का shape तो ऐसा रहेगा, right? ठीक है? And the color is red. Right? And heart तो मालूम है आपको, ये आपका heart हो गया, ठीक है? This is also red. And club थोड़ा बनाता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी ड्राइंग बहुत वीक है, but I am still trying. देखिए क्लब कैसे बनता है, it is given in your book also. You can see here.
सर एक पान पत्ता टाइप का होता है और एक फूल टाइप का होता है ना?
हाँ, फूल टाइप का।
हाँ,
मैं बता दे रहा हूँ आपको क्योंकि ड्राइंग मेरी उतनी अच्छी नहीं है।
सर वो नॉर्मल एक गोल करके फूल बना दो चलेगा सर?
हाँ सर वो भी चलता है,
कोई दिक्कत नहीं सर।
मैं एग्जैक्टली बना देता हूँ, नॉर्मल क्यों, मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। हाँ दिया हुआ। You can also see in page number 301. Okay, 301 में देखो with color and painting दिया हुआ है आपको देखो। And club जो आपका आएगा that will be like this. ये देखो इस टाइप से आएगा। This is also black. This is black. And last one is spade. Spade जो है just उल्टा पान आएगा इस टाइप से। ये आएगा। This is spade मतलब वो जो बेंचा होता है जिससे लेबर लोग वो सामान उठाते हैं ना, that is called spade. ये भी black होगा। Right? So we have 4 types of cards. ठीक है? Diamond is red, heart is red. This is black and this is black. Spade in this. And number of cards. आप देखोगे तो सभी 13 होता है। This is 13.
13.
13.
Total number of cards is 52. Total number of cards is 52. This is called deck of cards. Deck of cards is equal to 52 cards. Okay. And what are the different numbers like E, right? Then E, then
Q, J.
G. Okay. And then from 2, 3, 4 up to 10. है ना? और बाकी सब में 2 आएगा, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is called ace. हिंदी में इक्का बोलते हैं, इक्का, ठीक है? And A is called king. That is, इसको हम लोग राजा या हम लोग
किंग
yes, king या राजा बोलते हैं तो बासा, एक्चुअली हिंदी में जो टर्म है दैट इज बासा, राइट? इक्का,
Yes, sir.
बासा और
Ika, Bacha,
इसको बेगम बोलते हैं, बेगम,
Queen और Jack.
and this queen, बेगम,
बेगम गुलाम.
yes, and
और वो गुलाम.
now that is called Jack,
Jack.
क्वीन,
yes.
जोकर,
नहीं, जोकर नहीं, जोकर is not a additional card. Joker is an additional card that is not included in 52 cards. You must remember that. कभी कभी एक बार एग्जाम में आया था, what is the probability of joker? तो जोकर तो डेक ऑफ कार्ड में इंक्लूड करते ही नहीं, वो अलग अलग गेम में जोकर को इंक्लूड करके हम लोग कुछ वो करते, गेम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
उसका मतलब उसका 0 होगा जोकर का.
But joker is not a part of 52 cards. Okay, that is additional card. So you can see here, so there are 4 activities. You must note it down. ठीक है? तो ace, king, queen and jack. इक्का, बासा, बेगम and गुलाम. एस जो होता है 4 होता है, किंग भी 4 होता है, क्वीन भी 4 होता है, जैक भी 4 होता है. ये हो गए 4 कितने हो गए? 4 कलर के रिलेटिव तो सब में एक एक होता है. इसमें 1 टोटल रिलेटिव 1 इसमें सभी कलर में 1 1 1 1 यहाँ सब 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. So in this way you can see that total number of is 4, total number of king is 4, total number of queen is 4 and total number of jack is also 4. And सभी में 2 से लेके 10 तक 9 कार्ड होते हैं. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 टोटल 9 कार्ड्स. इसमें भी 9 कार्ड्स, इसमें भी 9 कार्ड्स, इसमें भी 9 कार्ड्स, इसमें भी 9 कार्ड्स. ठीक है, 9 4 कार्ड, ये 36 हो गया. ठीक है, you can see देखो यहाँ से यहाँ तक 52 कार्ड आ जाएगा. देखो 4 4 कार्ड.
Yes sir, 52 आ जाएगा.
मतलब आपका देखो आप देखो 9 1 10 11 12 13 देखो 13 मार्क्स आ गए. 13 ये होता है. तो दिस इज कंप्लीट द फिगर ऑफ 52 कार्ड्स. So please note it down. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन इज टोटली बेस्ड ऑन दिस चार्ट और दैट मस्ट बी कीप इन योर माइंड. आपको अपने इसको सोच रखना पड़ेगा दिमाग में कि होता क्या है, कैसे हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, तो प्लीज नोट डाउन. Now, and one more thing. पहले जल्दी नोट कर लो, फिर मैं नीचे बताऊंगा और चीज. प्लीज नोट डाउन. Complete. Completed. Now you can see king, queen, and jack. King, queen, and jack are called the honor card. Sorry, face cards. Face cards. What are the face cards? King, queen, and jack. So king, queen, and jack. So you can see king, queen, and jack.
एस नहीं आता क्या सर?
हाँ?
यस सर.
King, queen.
कार्ड में एस नहीं आता क्या?
क्या नहीं आ रहा है?
फेस कार्ड में मतलब एस नहीं आएगा फेस कार्ड में.
And why we call it face card? You can see यदि आप कार्ड देखेंगे तो कार्ड में इसमें फेस बना होता है. किंग का फेस बना रहेगा, क्वीन का फेस बना रहेगा और जैक का फेस बना रहेगा. एस में कोई फेस नहीं होता है. So that is why
सबसे ऊपर आएगा.
हाँ, तो ये आपका जो है ये तीन जो कार्ड्स होता है, ये तीन कार्ड को फेस कार्ड बोलते हैं. तो टोटल फेस कार्ड कितने होंगे? 4 + 4 + 4. तो टोटल फेस कार्ड्स होते हैं आपके पास
12
कार्ड्स इज इक्वल टू 12. अब इसका क्वेश्चन भी यदि आएगा बताऊंगा मैं. ठीक है. And
3/13 रहेगा.
और एक चीज देखो, इसमें आपके पास ए के क्यू जे और 10 ये जो कार्ड्स होता है इस कार्ड को हम लोग बोलते हैं ऑनर कार्ड. ऑनर कार्ड्स. ठीक है. एक कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एस, किंग, क्वीन, जैक एंड 10 इट इज कॉल्ड ऑनर कार्ड. तो ऑनर कार्ड कितने लाएंगे आपके पास बताओ? ऑनर कार्ड कितने हो जाएंगे? ये देखो, ये तो हो गया आपका 4 4 16 और 10 4 20 कार्ड.
20 हो जाएगा सर. 20.
हाँ सर.
यस, तो 20 कार्ड जो टोटल कार्ड 20 और बाकी जो बचे हुए कार्ड है उसको हम लोग स्पॉट कार्ड बोलते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पॉट कार्ड्स. स्पॉट कार्ड्स. स्पॉट कार्ड्स क्या क्या होगा जो बच गया इसके अलावा क्या क्या बच गया आपका?
32
2 से 10 है ना. 2 to 10. 2 to 10 कितने कार्ड? 9. तो 2 to 9 कार्ड मतलब 36 कार्ड होंगे टोटल. 36 कार्ड्स. So this is very important.
सर.
हाँ. Yes.
1 से 10 तक तो ये हो गया, मतलब 2 से 10 तक ये हो गया नंबर वाले.
2 से 9.
हाँ 2 से 9 तक. हाँ 10 उधर आ गया. हाँ सो इधर 32 होगा क्या?
ठीक है. This is 30.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
Yes sir.
इसको स्पेशली इसके नीचे आप नोट कर लो क्योंकि sometimes the board asks the question from this face card, honor card and small cards. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Yes.
Yes
Yes
sir.
sir, clear है.
Shall I run this? अब देखो.
Yes sir.
Now I am asking question from this table. Okay. You please listen carefully and try to give the answer. My first question is, what is the probability of